What are you doing, Chubby? Is that a horseshoe you got, or is that? Are those little feet? Oh, or is it a tiara? Is it a tiara? You just finished eating your little stars? Yeah. Prettiest baby ever. What are you looking at, Mama? What are you looking at? It's my little 10-month-old daughter, almost 11-month. God bless her. Natalie? Natalie? Yeah, that's you. Yeah. Rah. 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 Yeah. You gonna pick something else up? You got your toys there. Playing with your toys. My baby's learning to walk. She's so big. Unbelievable. You so big, Mama. Look at this. In the Graco, how you say it? Graco or Graco? The Graco. Yeah. Yeah, so, alright, so we got about 10 seconds left because she's about to get her bottle. Her mama's gonna feed her, so.